Okay, welcome back. We're back again. We're going to go ahead and show you how to get the pesticides off of your fruit and vegetables without buying the veggie wash or any of that stuff. All you need is these three ingredients: baking soda, water, and white vinegar. Okay, we're simply going to take our blackberries. I have water in here already, just a small amount. You can see just barely covers them. I actually could use a little bit less water. I like to pour a healthy amount of baking soda on, maybe 2 tablespoons. You could probably get away at 1. And then mix in some vinegar. Just regular white vinegar will work. Make sure they're covered. And let them sit in there for roughly 5 to 10 minutes, and that will remove all those pesticides that's been sprayed on them.